Howdy, I'm Tom from Absolute Computer Design. I'm a web developer in Denver, Colorado, and I've been developing web productions for probably about since 2002. And I've been working with Mahil and Excellent Webworld for over 10 years, and formed my whole business around him. And I supported and built probably a dozen or so web productions for small businesses. And I've tried other firms similar to his, and when I get down to the heavy systems development and I need systems and relational databases and custom programming and Drupal websites, I cannot find anybody other than Mahil and Excellent Webworld. So I'm writing or videotaping a recommendation, and I have worked with them for a long time, so I would definitely recommend their skill set for anything you need to get done. Okay.